हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आशीष क्याल हियर, वेरी वार्म वेलकम। एंड आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो बहुत डिफरेंट है। इट इज अबाउट क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग एंड स्पेशली ऑप्शंस ऑन crypto. So I've been doing a lot of research looking at crypto markets. When I say crypto, I'm looking at Bitcoin. You can look at Ethereum. There are so many coins that you can look at, but I am looking at the most liquid ones. तो सबसे ज्यादा जो liquid है options में, that is actually Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this I've come to know from Delta Exchange. So बहुत ही amazing platform है friends, and it has been fantastic where you can apply this concept of that we have done so far in all the videos you might have seen on my YouTube channel, various concepts of studies of Bollinger Bands, RSI, you can use KST and many such indicators you can apply very easily. And also the best part about the platform is that the options are also liquid. So let me now very quickly go and open up a screen for you of Delta Exchange. You might have to create your account and do those things. I'll explain you about that later on. But let me just share across my screen and how it looks like. So this is the platform I'm currently looking at by, बिटकॉइन को कैसे ट्रेड करना चाहिए, इथेरियम को कैसे ट्रेड करना चाहिए, क्या चार्ट्स यूज कर सकते हैं, all of those things that I'm going to talk about right now for all of you. So यहाँ पर if you go from here, if you go to the markets, you are seeing all the markets. You can see watch list, options, futures, everything. I'm going to the spot chart right now. So for me right now, we want to look at a spot market, because even when we look at Nifty, we look at Bank Nifty, I usually prefer looking at the spot market. And then we will also look at options chart. There is also option analytics where we can see where is the open interest buildup happening. Like we do it for the for Nifty or Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty. Similarly, we can do it for here. The best part about this is that this is less explored, area. So there are more opportunities as far as I can see from here. So let me now go to this. So once I'm on the spot chart, I will go to the Bitcoin USDT, because USDT is Tether, which is back to US dollar kind of. So if I have to purchase anything, then I might have to first purchase USDT, and from that I can then purchase any of the coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Ripple, or any such coins that I want to purchase. I'll explain it to you later on. So I'm just sharing across my findings, my learnings, how I'm doing it, how I'm going about it, all of those things. I'm just very quickly sharing it across with all of you. So let me just hide myself here once so that you can see everything over here. If you are looking at the overall chart, this is a fantastic chart, friends. To ensure you are looking at the chart, which is very similar to what we do on TradingView. This is the Bitcoin chart. Let's just look at what's happening with Bitcoin very quickly. So I'm going to look at a weekly chart. Weekly chart, if you check weekly chart of Bitcoin, you can clearly see there has been a huge correction that we saw on the downside from the tops of, from which level it has started falling. Now, if we go on the daily time frame, we can see on the weekly that there is a bottom which is formed around 15,000, 16,000 levels. Sharp bounce back. Let us apply the same concept of candles that we apply. From here, the weekly candle have been closing on the upside. यहाँ पर एक bearish candle बना था, but then again the weekly candle have been closing on the upside. So which means the overall trend for Bitcoin is positive. I'm now going to go on the daily time frame chart and look at it, guys. This is very, very interesting. From the daily time frame chart, if you check, the move from 20,000 happened. Bitcoin came to the level until here 27,200. Imagine, from 20,000 to 27,200 levels is what you saw. Basis of this simple technique, that unless we see a close below the prior candle low, the trend for the Bitcoin also remains positive, unless, which happened here. Now, since the weekly trend is up, I'm not looking for selling opportunity on Bitcoin. I'm only looking for buying opportunity, क्योंकि weekly trend ऊपर का है, so I'm more comfortable buying and finding out where can I buy. This is there, and from here again the trend turned up on the positive side. Okay. So what we can also make out by looking at the candlestick profiling, there is rejection which is coming from the higher levels, and post this rejection, if we get an acceptance about this level, then I think Bitcoin is again breaking out on the upside. ये daily time frame है, this is a bigger time frame. Over here you can also see the bid ask, the order books. So you know the best part about this platform right now is सब चीज एक ही जगह पे. You know, you can see the charts, you can see the order book, you can save your charts, you can share it across. All of those things are there. So if I now come to the hourly chart of Bitcoin, let me just explain it to you here. यहाँ पर, if you're looking at the hourly chart, you can apply simple indicator like Bollinger Bands and price action and see how it has been behaving. So if I'm looking at this chart, and of course you can also apply wave theory, guys. I've applied actually neo wave also on Bitcoin and it was simply amazing. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे, let me explain it to you from a wave perspective. If you're looking at this, you can very clearly see, and that's what is fascinating me, कि यार इतने अच्छे से, इतना accurately it works. So this was one that you can clearly see here. This was wave 2 down. यहाँ पर third complete किया. We have wave 4, a clear cut 5, amazing 5 waves down, 5 waves on the upside that you see, and then we have started this downside correction. This could have completed wave 1 on the top. Possible wave 2 is complete now, which has retraced precisely around 61.8%. You can actually go and check Fibonacci retracement कहाँ पर complete हुआ, and you will be amazed कि क्या चलता है. And you know the best part about this is that news या event, yes, usually which something with respect to the interest rate अगर कुछ आता है, तो those kind of events result into some sharp movements on the coins, but otherwise these are more the movement is more because of the buying and selling. So I'm just searching for Fibo levels that you can measure from here. Just a second, and if you measure those levels, you will be able to see here you can easily, yes, so यहाँ पर Fib retracement मिल गया हमें. Let us just check the Fib retracement level that I am talking about, and look at that level, precise 61.8, and amazing. And वहीं से reverse back on 1 hour chart and going on the upside. So classic opportunity, I think this is how you can do it. So once you have identified कि opportunity buy की है, keeping a stop loss and everything is very easy. यहाँ पर जाने के बाद में you can directly go and click on buy Bitcoin. You know, you can just enter the quantity, and you know the best part about this is I was also surprised to see कि यहाँ पर आपको USDT के फॉर्म में आप डाल सकते हो क्वांटिटी. मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको, लेट मी जस्ट हाइड माई सेल्फ हियर, यहाँ पर आपको कोई और फॉर्म में डालना है. यू कैन सिंपली कम हियर, एंटर अ क्वांटिटी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ USDT, which can be just like you want to enter $100, and you can just go and click on buy Bitcoin, and you will be able to do it. It's that easy, you know. So यहाँ पर क्लिक किया, place the order, directly Bitcoin हमें यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर प्लेस किया, ऑर्डर सबमिटेड एंड बॉट 28,485 पे बाय हो गया. तो यहाँ पर हमारा बिटकॉइन बाय हो गया. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग इट यू एज एन एग्जांपल. सो बेसिस ऑफ $100. तो एंड लेट्स सी, अभी इट इज दैट सिंपल. अभी यहाँ से इफ आई वांट टू एनालाइज, आई एम जस्ट एनालाइजिंग नाउ. यहाँ पर जाके you can actually explore. The best part about this is the options. So अगर हम यहाँ पर options में जाएंगे, and you will see all the options, you know, 28,000 का Bitcoin option, you can just click on that, and you will be able to buy options. You know, it is so simple and easy. In fact, अगर view bullish है and leverage is amazing, लेकिन ध्यान रखना है दोस्तों, stop loss के साथ ही काम करना है. You need to ensure you are able to, you know, place that stop, you are able to do that correctly, and then only you have to trade. So first thing I'm going to do before I enter into the world of options is to go and check option analytics. because I want to check कि यार कहाँ पर open interest build up हो रहा है. That is very important for me. So if you're looking at this, Bitcoin is currently at around 28,480 के आसपास है. And यहाँ पर we can see the put buildup. Put side on the downside is 28,000 पे अच्छा खासा buildup है. तो मतलब Bitcoin 28,000 के नीचे आना looks unlikely. And there are different expiries. I'll explain you that also. And ऊपर में the hurdle is at 29,200. That is where we are seeing. So that's the best part about this. You can also see the change in the open interest. You know, कहाँ पर change हो रहा है open interest and everything. You can clearly see. You can see the put call ratio PCR. So जो भी हम करते हैं friends, whatever that we are doing for trading on options on Indian markets, you can do all of those things here, and in a classic, easy way. So you can come to the options again here. Then you can come to the specific strike, and there are different expiries that you can see on the options. That is also very easy, because यहाँ पर you can see there is an expiry of 1st April. You can go to 2nd April, then you can go to 7th April. So जो लोग people who are comfortable playing with options on the expiry day or one day prior, maybe writing option for a day, this is amazing. So because now you don't really have to wait for every Thursday for trading, you can simply go on here and do that. And then there is Ethereum also. So I'm just talking about Bitcoin right now. I don't want to confuse you. So there are options on Ethereum, and you can even have an option chart, friends. So if I go here, I've selected 28,000 ka call option, and I'm plotting the chart of the option. And you can see the plot happening directly. 1 hour nahi, will take a little over 15 minutes type. We can plot and check those options. So it works amazing. So this is the option specific 28, which is 2nd April. So 2nd April we might be not so liquid as you can see from the 1st April, which is a near expiry. So it's always the case. The near expiry wala, you will find it more liquid, more easy tradable. So that's how it is also here. So यहाँ पर you can go to 28,000 option, and directly we can go to the chart. We can see the chart here on 28,000, and look at this. It's amazing directly. So, and once you see, you can see the price and trades and everything. So you can apply your averages, KST, RSI, all indicators are available from here, and simply loved it. So I just thought it's a very nice platform. So, and I showed you how easy it was for me to buy a crypto. I just bought it, and that's how easy it is. And you can see your positions, you can see everything, you can place a stop loss, and a lot of things that are available on this platform. So यहाँ पर if you go and check, again you can see the bid and the ask, 620 pay 659. So they have amazing bid ask also. Now don't think it from the perspective of Indian market, because the movement of crypto is much faster, much wider. So you have to keep that in mind, friends. So this is the last traded price of 600. So all of those things are there. So I am amazed to see such a wonderful way of diversifying. So when I see here, if there is no opportunity on Nifty, Bank Nifty, or maybe markets are sideways, these are various expiries that you have here. Also you have the Greeks, you have Delta, you can see Theta, you can see a lot of stuff. So that's the best part about this thing. So options on crypto, I think that's a innovation, and we have that opportunity. So over here you can I'll just talk about also how it works. So यहाँ पर deposit and buy hai. If in case you have to open an account, you can find the link how to go about it in the description. So use that. They also have support 24/7 Telegram support link. You'll find it in the description. You can use that for fund transfer also. I think it's pretty easy. So I'll just click on buy crypto यहाँ से. So you can select Alpine here, and if you want to buy say just 1,000 rupees INR, you will get around 10.91 USDT. You can simply click on the buy here, and once you do that, there will be a page where you can click and add this information and then transfer it. So automatically you will get all those things. So I'm not getting into this. You can also do an, you can do a even GPay or UPI. So you can even do that from here. If you select on Meta and click on buy, you can even buy using GPay or UPI, any kind of UPI, वो भी possible है. And यहाँ से जाके directly कर सकते हो. So whatever charges and everything they have mentioned, what's the transaction charge, and it's, I think, pretty much easy, and all of those things you can do it from here. So that's the best part about it. It's easy to get into this thing, and that's how I found it, and I think it's very, very interesting. So friends, I think you might want to explore that more. I would suggest, do whatever I'm telling you is purely from my exploration, learning, looking at what's happening with this thing. So don't just jump and do things. First, understand kya hai ye. If it is for you, understand the risk, understand the stop losses, understand the charts, and then maybe if you think it can work for you, try and explore this platform. I found it very interesting, so I thought I'll just share it across to all of you. And use if you want to open some account, you can use the link which is there in the description, guys, and ensure जो description में लिखा है वही use करना, because there are a lot of spams, there are a lot of I don't want you to go to something and then lose money. So use the proper links which are there in the description for all of those things. So and this is purely from learning education perspective. I'm sharing my knowledge of what I'm seeing, what I'm exploring, how I'm seeing it, and I'm just doing that. So you ensure that you just don't do it because I'm saying it, understand it, and then you will be able to do it well. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. I think I'll produce more videos about my explorations and trades that I am doing here, how it goes, how it went. आज जो लिया उसका क्या हुआ, देखते हैं, करेंगे. Some strategies will form on this. If you are interested in that, then just put it in your comment. Will it be useful for you? Such kind of videos which is diverse than what we are looking at, just Nifty, Bank Nifty, or stock, and something very different. I'm always excited when I see new things, when I try new things. I'm always excited about that. I just want to know if you are also excited about this, so that I can keep producing more such videos. For now, Ashish Kyal signing off. Have a wonderful day.